Today is Friday, so you guys know what we're gonna do today. When it comes to Friday, is the day that I do cast off my 100 envelope savings challenge. This 100 savings challenge is kind of different from the other savings challenge. If you've been following me for a long time, we did tweak the 100 envelope savings challenge a little bit. Instead of just saving the numbers, we do addition of the double numbers. That has been an easy one to do, and we kind of doing it for quite a long time. This year my goal is to do it for like at least 3 times before the year end. So I'm trying to finish the second one, then I'll do the third one before the year ends. It has been a nice one because I've been receiving a lot of comment, people asking me that they want to do it, which is very, very exciting. So today we are in the 7th week for that, and the way I'm doing it is very simple. So if you want to start along with me, if you have the 100 envelope savings challenge, you can still come in and do it. I'm just arranging the money that I'm going to put in the envelope. I hope everybody is doing very well. I'm okay, but not okay, but we thank God for everything. God have a reason why he does stuff, but we don't understand. Yeah, a lot of stuff this week, not too good, but we getting there slowly. We taking it lightly. Yes, so this is how the money is looking. And let me bring my 100 envelope savings challenge out. This is how it look like. I do have it in my shop, so in case somebody want to buy it, I do have in the description below. Let's go ahead and count the money and see how much we're going to put it in today. 1, 2, that's 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's also 40, so that's 80. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 20, so that's 100. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that's 114. So $114. That's what is gonna go in here today. So let's go ahead and see what we've been doing. I hope you guys can see. Look at that. Look at how cool this is. Anytime I see this, I get so excited. And after this money is going towards my student loan. So really exciting. Really exciting. So this is how it look like. Yeah. So now we're gonna do this 2 today. Then next week we'll do another 2. And I think probably then another 2. That will be the end of this month. Then we will do the rest in September and count it and see how much we have saved. Because this time around I did do another tweet, sorry, which I'll show you quick. If you are new here, don't worry, very easy to follow along, trust me. So instead of 49, we will do 4 plus 9, which is 13. So this side is getting $13. That's how cool this challenge is. My name is Josie. If you are new here, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you don't miss any of my videos. And this is 50. I'll do 5 plus 0 is 5. But for me, all my multiples of 10, I'm doing the same thing. So I'm doing 50. Let's move the money here. So that will be 50. Then we do have 5 plus 1, which is 6. Then I do have 5 plus 2, which is 7. I've been getting a lot of DMs about this challenge, and I'm so excited that a lot of people are paying attention and they might do it as well because they've been asking a lot of questions. 5 plus 3 is 8. And I love the way I finish it fast and do it again. So if you do it this way, you might save the same amount like when you do it the regular way, which is the hardest way. Trust me, it is. 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, so that's $9. And they are very doable. I've used them. I used them last year and I'm using them this year as well. So go check it out. Very doable. Look at that. 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. And 5 plus 6 is 11. So that's our last one for this week. And I love to go ahead and make sure I'm on track with everything. So we're gonna mark this. So it's gonna be this. Down, and that. Yep. We are more than half. Yes, so that's how it works for this one. And I always have my calculator to do a calculation to see, to make sure that we are on track with everything. Started from this side, which is 4 plus 9 is 13. So 13 plus 50 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11. So that's 114, and that's the same amount I counted. So that's how it works. Is this not cute? I love it. I really do. This is so cute. Look at that. Yeah, so that's all for today's video. In case you have any question, leave in the comment and I'll be so grateful to answer. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye.